Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 important questions for TGT PGT English Literature. So let's start. Question number 1. Several of Galsworthy's early novels were written under a pseudonym of Johnson, Isaac, Johnson John, Elia. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be John St. John. Option C will be the right answer. His first stories were published under the pseudonym John St. John and later were withdrawn. He considered the Iceland Pharisees 1904 his first important work. As a novelist, Galsworthy is chiefly known for his Roman Fleavy, the Forsyte Saga. Next question. The Dark Flower by John Galsworthy is a love drama, a tragic play, a love novel, a comic play. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be a love novel. Option C will be the right answer. The Dark Flower was written in 1930 by John Galsworthy. It is the story of one man's love affairs. It is a love novel. Next question. The first successful novel of John Galsworthy was The Man of Property, Fraternity, Silver Box, Stripe. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be The Man of Property. Option A will be the right answer. The Man of Property 1906. Galsworthy attacks the Forsytes through the character of Soames Forsyte, a solicitor who considered his wife Irene as a mere form of property. Next question. Which novel of Galsworthy is considered to be his masterpiece? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Indian Summer of a Forsyte. Option D will be the right answer. Indian Summer of a Forsyte of Galsworthy is considered to be his masterpiece. This is a series of 3 novels and 2 interludes published in 1922. Next question. Which drama of Galsworthy deals with the conflict between capitalists and laborers? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Strife. Option A will be the right answer. Strife deals with the conflict between the capitalists and the laborers. It was produced in 1909 in London at the Duke of York's Theatre. Next question. English iambic pentameter was brought to its first maturity in sonnet, dramatic verse, lyric, elegy. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be sonnet. Option A will be the right answer. Iambic pentameter is a commonly used metrical line in traditional verse and verse drama. The term describes the particular rhythm that the words establish in that line. That rhythm is measured in small groups of syllables. These small groups of syllables are called feet. The word iambic describes the type of foot that is used in English, and unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. The two word pentameter indicates that a line has 5 of these feet. Iambic rhythms come relatively naturally in English but get the maturity in sonnet. Next question. Reformation was predominantly a movement in politics, literature, religion, education. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be religion. Option C will be the right answer. The Protestant Reformation, also called the Protestant Revolt or simply the Reformation, was the European Christian reform movement that established Protestantism as a continuant branch of contemporary Christianity. It was led by Martin Luther, John Calvin, and other Protestants. The self described reformers who protested objected to the doctrines, ritual, and ecclesiastical structure of the Roman Catholic Church and created new national Protestant churches. Next question. Sexual jealousy is a theme in Shakespeare's play The Merchant of Venice, The Tempest, Othello, King Lear. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Othello. Option C will be the right answer. Othello the Moor of Venice is a tragedy by William Shakespeare, believed to have been written in approximately 1603 and based on the Italian short story Un Capitano Moro by Cinthio, a disciple of Boccaccio, first published in 1565. The main theme of the play are racism, love, jealousy, and betrayal. Next question. The Little of Wordsworth's first poetical volume is descriptive sketches, lyrical ballads, intimation of immortality, prelude. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be descriptive sketches. Option A will be the right answer. The very first poems of Wordsworth, descriptive sketches, etc., had borne testimony to the wealth of his sensory notations. Next question. When was Wordsworth laureated? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1843. Option C will be the right answer. In 1843, Wordsworth was named Poet Laureate of England, though by this time he had for the most part quit composing verse. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.